Want us to help you work less, expand your clientele, provide the best hair for your clients, and make more money in record time so you can set yourself apart from the average hairstylist and put yourself in position to master hair wig installations using the ball cap method? Earn more while working less hours and become a master in the hair wig business so you can focus on growing your clientele, increase your income, help clients feel great and look fabulous, instead of trying to figure out how to do hair wig installs from non-professionals on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Chai Hair Wig Masterclass. I'm the founder, China McNeil, also known as at Chicago Hair Imports. I've trained stylists all over the United States for over 20 years. I've taught at the ABS show. I've helped stylists master hair extensions and wig units, start their own hair and wig business, build a solid clientele, and open their own salons. I've worked with Persia White from the sitcom Girlfriends, Claudia Jordan from The Real Housewives of Atlanta, Halle Berry, Mary Alice from the movie Matrix, singer Kelly Price, Victoria Gates from the sitcom series Castle. Top stylist to many local Chicago celebrities. I've appeared on Watch What Happens Live with Andy Cohen and The Steve Harvey Show.
Wow. Sorry for bombarding you like that. Vanitta's a great person. She deserves it more than anyone that I know. So I really want to see her succeed, and I'm here for you. Oh my goodness.
Wow. China is actually joining us. China, were you surprised?
Steve, I was very shocked and surprised. But, you know, when I saw her come through the door and I saw the singing telegram behind her, it was bittersweet. I hate to see her, you know, say she's quitting, but at the same time, I'm actually happy to see her move on and to do great things. I'm here for her. I'll always be here for her. And if there's anything she needs, I can help you out with it. Yeah.
Wow. That's really cool. These is three of my dudes over here that's in the group right there. I love them cats. Whenever we call them, they always come through. The voices. Vanitta, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
China, you bad girl. Thank you, babe.
On this particular set, I'm working behind the scenes with Real Housewife Claudia Jordan, and this is Andy Cohen, who is the founder of that franchise, of the Housewives franchise. And so we're working behind the scenes. I'm working on Claudia's hair. In this particular evening, I have done 10 episodes of Watch What Happens Live and Red Carpet and a couple other segments. So this was all-nighter. It was so much fun. Working with Dr. Oz. It was so much fun working with Andy Cohen. And my personality, Claudia Jordan, was very delightful to work with. And this here is myself and Persia White. Persia White, I'm working on a movie with a pilot, actually, with Persia White. And as you know, when you're working in film, and if you don't know, that would be something that I would love to share with you. You work backwards and then you work forward, and then so we're working on one of her characters in the film, and so she is so delightful, such a pleasure to work with, and coming up with different styles for different parts of her character at different points in the movie. Chai Hair Wig Masterclass. Mastering hair, wigs, and extensions is the most effective way to set yourself apart from being an average hairstylist. It allowed me to live a luxurious lifestyle of traveling, shopping, and spending more time with my family. The revolutionary Chai Hair Wig Masterclass, how stylists and students are using wig units using the ball cap method to grow their clientele, increase their income, help their clients feel great and look fabulous, and will help you use the Chai Hair Wig Master System to become a certified master wig stylist. Chai Hair Wig Masterclass is the most effective way to set yourself apart from the average hairstylist and put yourself in position to master hair wig applications, earn more while working less hours, and become a master in the hair wig business. But the problem is, Non-professionals on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook are misleading and leaving out very important steps that can be detrimental to a client's hair and scalp. Knowing how to properly install hair wig units is difficult, detrimental, and scary if you are not properly trained by a licensed certified master hair wig educator. This Chai Hair Wig Masterclass is a shortcut and solution around all of that. It's the fastest and most effective method we've discovered to set yourself apart from the average hairstylist, earn more while working less hours, without making costly and timely mistakes by following non-professionals on social media. And I'm going to reveal the exact details in just a minute, because first, I need to give you an overview of why the Chai Hair Wig Masterclass works so well. This Chai Hair Wig Masterclass is all about knowledge, detail, and simplicity. So to start out, let me explain what we call the Chai Hair Wig Masterclass. And so many of our stylists and students get an aha moment from the understanding of these techniques. So get ready. Step 1, how to choose the right wig unit for your client. Step 2, how to use my 2-finger, 4-finger secret for the perfect wig placement every time. Step 3, how to make your client's wig look like it's growing naturally out of the scalp. Step 4, how to protect your client's skin and hair while wearing a wig unit. And step 5, how to properly remove the wig without pulling out your client's edges. Step 6, how to properly charge and attract your clients. Step 1, how to choose the right hair wig for your client that will give them comfortable fit and a manageable hair, that will give them a beautiful hair wig that will look natural and enhance their beauty and their confidence. When you do this right, you'll easily be able to master hair wigs and select the right color, texture, and length so that your client's hair wig will look flawless and fabulous. You will also set yourself apart from your average person that does hair. You will have access to the best hair and wigs in the world. This is a client, she's before. As you can see on the left, she has short hair. And then on the right, she came in for a beautiful install. So now her hair looks fabulous. She has the length that she wants and she's a happy lady. And this young lady, as you can see on the right, she came in for an install and looking at her hair, she wanted length. And so we gave her beautiful length and we make sure that all of our frontals and the front of our wigs look really nice and natural as if it's growing out of the scalp. And this lady, she actually has a receding hairline and she needed full coverage. There was no need to actually try to do anything else besides give her a beautiful hairline and to give her a full coverage unit. And she is a very happy client. After mentoring, coaching, and taking the Master Hair Wig course, they were able to double their income while working less hours behind the chair, increase their income by selling hair wigs and extensions to their clients. Since then, most of them have grown their income, helped many clients increase their confidence and their appearance. Meet Melody Thurman. She went from making under $200 per week to over $500 to $1,200 per client with the Chai Hair Wig course.
Hi, everyone. Working at Chai Hair has been amazing, like I said, and I've learned so many things and met so many people at Chai Hair. And I'm going to go over just a few things that I've learned. First and foremost, I've learned how to carry myself. I've learned integrity. I've learned morals and values as a hairstylist. So that was one of the first things I've learned, because she is my mentor. Like, she's not just someone who I work for and, you know, I have duties and obligations. No, we work as a team. We care about everyone here. She cares about each and every last client. She's so thoughtful. She's so caring. And it has rubbed off on me even more. Now I'm being more and more like her, and I look up to her. She's taught me hair skills as far as natural hair care, special occasions, silk press, braids. Like, you guys, I didn't know how to do a braid at all. I know, right? But I can do one now. But she's taught me all different hair extensions, from sew-ins to tape-ins to just so many, you guys, and that's what I love, different hair pieces. She's taught me how to work with clients, how to build a relationship with clients. And these are some of the things that salons will not teach you. You have to find out on your own. And that's one thing I love about her. She doesn't hold anything back. She wants to see women under her grow as well and become the best they can be in their own success. And that's what I love about her, and I love about Chai Hair, because we are not every man for himself. We work as a team. We're caring, we're loving, we're kind people. Yes, she's tough, but it's all out of love. And that's what I love about her. She's not going to let you just fall and watch you. No, she's going to pick you up. And that's what I love about her. So being at Chai Hair is amazing. This is the best place to be, you guys.
Want me to personally help you become a certified master hair wig extension stylist? Step 2, how to properly charge and attract clients. Build a solid hair wig extension business. Client consultation, brand and market yourself, know your numbers, and charge with confidence. Step 3, how to properly remove hair wig units without damaging clients' hair and scalp, so you don't make costly and timely mistakes. These techniques have been proven safe and effective, which have been used by thousands of stylists who have served millions of customers. When you do this right, you don't get frustrated from guessing, not being clear on what to do. This will remove all the headache and frustrations of trying to guess and figure out what to do. Let's recap. Step 1, how to choose the right wig unit for your client. Step 2, how to use my 2-finger, 4-finger secret for perfect wig placement every time. Step 3, how to make your client's wig look like it's growing naturally out of the scalp. Step 4, how to protect your client's skin and hair while wearing a wig unit. Step 5, how to properly remove the wig without pulling out the edges. Step 6, how to properly charge and attract clients. Plus, I even mentor, coach, and show you how to make money in the hair wig extension business by selling hair directly to your clients to double your income. So if you want to stop trying to figure it out on YouTube, making costly mistakes, wasting time and money trying to do it by yourself, and you would rather have me work with you and teach you how to double your income by implementing my proven master hair wig extension system for your hair wig extension business in record time, so you can immediately apply what you have learned and make more money right away, and put you in position to earn over $800 or more per client. Then fill out the application on this page and schedule a call to speak with our team. When you work with us, we will personally help you master hair wig unit installations, build your hair wig extension business, teach you how to build your hair wig extension business brand, teach you how to market your hair wig extensions brand, give you access to the top hair wig vendors with the best quality hair. Set yourself apart from other stylists so you can become your client's first and best choice in the hair wig extension business. Warning, limited spots available. Enrollment is limited. If you're seeing this video right now, that means that there's a few spots still open. Fill out the application form on this page now, and we look forward to seeing your testimonials with your incredible results that you've gotten.